and welcome to this session on the demonstration of hot or warm waxing. Hot or warm waxing is a popular and in-demand service in the beauty industry. It is an effective method of hair removal that is commonly used in salons and spas. Hot and warm waxing is basically the same procedure except that in hot waxing, the wax is heated in a double pan hot water to a higher temperature to melt the wax. After testing the temperature on the wrist of the beautician, it is applied on the client's skin on the area to be waxed. Warm wax is when the wax is warmed up directly in a wax warmer or microwave and used after the temperature is checked. We will look at the procedure of hot or warm waxing in this session.
Objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to list the materials required for hot or warm waxing, perform hot or warm waxing, and provide aftercare advice to clients after the procedure of hot waxing. Let's look at the tools and materials required for hot or warm waxing. The following is required for the procedure: client chair or bed with clean sanitized sheet, trolley, spatula steel or wooden, tweezers, scissors, wax warmer, wet sanitizer, hot wax or warm wax, waxing strips or cellophane strips, disposable gloves, talc, skin lotion, clean bowl, clean sanitized towel, big and small, ice cubes, cotton, soothing lotion, antiseptic solution, plastic sheet, soap and water, and waste bin with biodegradable liners to dispose the used wax strips. The tools should be sterilized by placing them in the sterilization machine. The bowl and towel should be washed and sanitized, and fresh clean wax strips to be ready. Assemble the trolley with all the required tools and materials for the procedure. Let's now begin with the procedure of hot or warm waxing involving 9 steps. Step 1. Prepare the area for waxing. Step 2. Choose the wax product and heat the wax. Step 3. Test the temperature of wax. Step 4. Apply the wax on the direction of the hair growth. Step 5. Apply the strip and press well against the wax. Step 6. Remove the strip against the direction of the hair growth. Step 7. Wipe the waxed area with a clean towel dipped in cold water. Step 8. Apply a gentle soothing lotion. Step 9. Disposal of waste and cleanup. Let's now look at each of the steps in detail. For this demonstration, we will see the waxing of half legs. Step 1. Prepare the area for waxing. Identify the area to be waxed. Check the length of the hair that must be removed. The length of the hair must be 1/8 to 1/4 inch, which is 3 to 6 mm. Start by cleaning the area to be waxed with a mild skin cleanser or cleansing pad or a hot towel. Dry the skin thoroughly. Apply talcum powder with a clean cotton pad. Step 2. Choose the wax product and heat the wax. Choose the wax product for the client. Heat the wax according to the instructions. Hot wax requires to be heated in a double pan hot water and warm wax in a wax warmer or microwave. Caution: do not forget to switch off the wax warmer after use. Step 3. Test the temperature of wax. Test the temperature and consistency of the heated wax by applying a small amount to the inside of your wrist. The wax should be warm but not too hot. Step 4. Apply the wax on the direction of the hair growth. Using a wooden spatula, apply a thin coat of the hot or warm wax in the direction of hair growth in small sections. Best practice: Make sure to spread the wax evenly and thinly. Step 5. Apply the strip and press well against the wax. Take a disposable waxing strip, place it onto the wax and press it gently in the direction of hair growth. Best practice: press gently, running your hand over the surface of the strip 3 to 5 times. Smooth the strip in the direction of hair growth to help the wax adhere to the hair. Step 6. Remove the strip against the direction of the hair growth. Pull the wax strip in the opposite direction to that of the hair growth. Hold the skin taut with one hand and use the other hand to pull the strip in one swift motion in the opposite direction of hair growth. Make sure you pull the strip close to the skin and not away, as this would increase the pain. Best practice: pull the strip parallel to the skin and not upwards to avoid irritating the skin. Once the strip is removed, hand pressure can be applied to the area where waxing has been done to minimize discomfort. Follow the same procedure using fresh strips for each area. Continue applying the wax and removing the strips in small sections until you have removed all the hair. Remove any stray hair with tweezers. Step 7. Wipe the waxed area with a clean towel dipped in cold water. Wipe and clean the area with a wet towel. Caution: do not rub the area. Step 8. Apply a gentle soothing lotion. Wash hands and then apply an antiseptic cream or lotion on the treated skin for soothing it. Caution: do not touch treated skin with unclean hands. Step 9. Disposal of waste and cleanup. Use industrial gloves to dispose of the clinical waste. Dump used wax strips into bins. Check for wax fall on the floor and immediately wipe out and clean the floor. Remove any wax from the spatula. Sanitize the treatment bed and counter. Wash your hands with soap and water. Let's now see some general guidelines to be followed for waxing other body parts. For waxing the upper lip region, divide the area into 2 parts, one from cupid bow to corner of lip and other from cupid bow to right corner of the lip. Apply wax starting from the cupid bow towards one corner and press the strip on the wax with the index finger towards the hair. While waxing the underarms, separate the underarm hair into 2 parts, middle to up and middle to down. Apply the wax in the direction of the hair growth from middle to up. Repeat the steps shown earlier to wax the area. Similarly, apply the wax in the direction of the hair growth from middle to down. For waxing the full legs, start waxing from the front of the upper thigh area. Similarly, if you are waxing full arms, start from the front of the shoulder area. If you are waxing half arms, start from the front of the elbow area. After completing the waxing procedure, give clients some aftercare tips. Ask the client to avoid using deodorant, perfume, or powder on the treated area. Taking hot or bubble showers for at least 48 hours, as it can cause irritation to the skin. Exfoliating the area, swimming, or sunbathing for at least 48 hours post-wax.
Before concluding, let's look at the key points learned. The procedure of hot or warm waxing involves 9 steps. These are: prepare the area for waxing, heat the wax, test the temperature of the wax, Apply the wax on the direction of the hair growth. Apply the strip and press well against the wax. Remove the strip against the direction of the hair growth. Wipe the waxed area with a clean towel dipped in a cold water. Apply a gentle, soothing lotion and dispose the waste and clean up. Congratulations! You've just learned how to perform a hot or warm waxing procedure. You can now provide this popular and in-demand service to your clients. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next session.